MMTs. Now, as that short had worked all the way down here, came all the way down and finally made the price, came up and had failure, but now we're pennying back up, half above the SMF MMT bar. Do you see that? So now it's time to be long. You held that on that 3-6 when I was just talking about to shallow 9, but look what that turned into being. A big fat green bar right here. If that half that bar holds right there, that's where the entry is. Let me go find out the exact price for you. We are putting in that price action support right here at half of that bar. Guess what? That's 158.98, and this is Amazon. So SMF MMT Trader Amazon 3-minute. That's the title. That's the MMT. So we do have MMTs that are assigned to Amazon, and those MMTs trade Amazon long, and they trade them short on the way down. And then right now they're trying to put a bottom in here, which is this bottom was right here at that teeny line, higher than that teeny line. Now let's go over here and see what the teeny box has to say. All right, here we go. All right, let's see how many teenies that was. Wow, minus 21.59 teenies. Well, that's where the market maker is buying down at the bottom. And who is that? He's the one transacting, help all those buy orders at those price levels. That's why they bounce. MMTs, you know by watching your bid and ask trend ratio, which is your MMT market. That's what you're trading right there. There's that spread for you. Okay, so basically it seems and appears that we're just throttling there at 70 right now, 71. In order for that breakout, in order for this breakout to go up here, so you could go up 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny, 4 teeny, 5 teenies, you could. And each teeny today is 21 pennies each one. So if you got a 4 teeny breakout, that's 80 pennies. However, you got to go north of 75 here and really get up toward the 9,500 area, and you'll zip right up here through these teenies if that happens. Now, let's put you on standby. We're in the last hour, and this is that Amazon bottom. Once again, Amazon. This is it right here. So let's get back over here. Move that short. Yep. Now you got to watch these prices, because you go below 70, you can't buy. So that teeny right there is resistance right here, that line, and that's what that means. And as an SMF MMT, you and I get to sit here and have lots of fun and enjoy making a market with the exchanges, because that's what we do. One of the relationships that we would like to share here is this chart right here that I'm on is an SDS. That means it's a bear. So this over here, this chart right here is Amazon, and you'll see a similar, when that's ticking up, Amazon is ticking down, and you're going below half of the bars. If this breaks higher, Amazon will break lower. Here we go right now, as this trend that starts up here comes all the way down, bounces, does all of this, and then breaks higher in these kinds of trends. And as you look at when things break higher here, you can see how other things kind of break down, and they kind of follow each other. It is a way of just taking and tracking the, who's in charge. Is it the bull? Is it the bear? Who is it? So basically, you've got to break higher for you to go down here. If this comes down, then things like Amazon go higher. Okay? Compared to the SDS. So we'll get both of them in the video. And here they are. So basically that's a bear. That's the SDS. And this is Amazon going into the closing bell. And it's very, Amazon range has to get weak, but this range here, if there is going to be a sell-off into the closing bell, there's going to have to be a very high reading of this right here on that on the SDS intraday range. You're going to need a breakout well north of 55, and you're going to have to start spiking up, and there's going to have to be something behind it. See, as they gap that up, Amazon gapped down right here, right now. This is live. This is live market. So MMTs know how to get short right here, right now. It tells you when. It's when you're breaking down. And it's when you're breaking down and you can't close above that teeny line. Well, guess what? I'm getting short. It's just, but you know, a couple teenies each way, 21 pennies. So you're looking at what? 1, 2, 3 teenies, 63 pennies in a bid and ask on, you know, this action right here. I'm getting similar reports right now from various SMF MMTs on other readings in the brain. So basically it's very sideways. We can't, when this went 369, see, 369 up, but when it failed right here, then we started to get Amazon over here. Remember, this is still Amazon right here, and it's starting to break higher. And Amazon's IR, the MMIR, whoa, you got to go north of 85 in order to teeny up there. And if that doesn't happen, well, you're just consolidating 2 teenies, which is 42 pennies on 2 teeny price action in the system. So basically your ratio low, once again, minus 1.35 in the overall action on the day on that. Amazon, see, because Amazon was a beautiful, beautiful slide that bid right down through